Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to secure Signal private messenger with screen lock. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Signal private messenger app and tap on your profile photo to the top left corner and tap on privacy. Scroll down and here you'll find screen lock option, so toggle on this and tap on screen lock inactivity timeout and select here the time and tap on OK. And after that if I try to reopen my Signal messenger, here you can see it's asking for my phone pattern. And to turn off the screen lock, again tap on your profile icon to the top left corner, tap on privacy and toggle off this screen lock. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.